Hey guys, what is up? It is Brickmaster23 here, today with another video. Today I have another Bricklink haul. This Lego haul is for my mock. It is a commission, so let's just dive into it. Looks like we do have an invoice in there. So, just take the invoice out real quick. And then we can dump all the parts out. So it looks like we do have a business card. Younger and Son LLC. That is the Bricklink store apparently. So go check them out. This haul is mainly for water making. And so I got a bunch of clear parts. Clear 1x2s. Those, I think I got 250 of these, and I got 82 of these. So that is pretty cool. That's it for my Bricklink haul for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Brickmaster23, signing off.